Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the zombie chicken in Grow a Garden. Chicken zombie. So I just got it by being in the bloodlit moon update. As you can see, right now something's going on. A lot of things are going on. There's disco, there's bloodlit. So make sure you join an event for really cool updates. And yeah, that is pretty much it really for this video. Just join when there was a bloodlit moon event, and also your fruits will turn bloodlit and disco and sometimes even celestial. So collect those fruits and yeah, just have fun. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.